Hey guys, so today I'm here to tell you something that I follow in my day-to-day life. As you can see, I have applied some of the makeup on my face, some eyeliner. Yeah, I have used broad eyeliner this time. As you can see, broad eyeliner and some lipstick is on my lips and some of the BB cream because I have just recorded the video for you guys. So you know I want to tell you one thing, that how I gonna remove this makeup from my face because I am gonna sleep now, and so I don't want to ruin my face skin. So I will be cleaning my face first of all, then I will go to sleep, then I will go to my bed. Yes, so yeah, after filming the video, it's a very hectic thing to remove your makeup first of all before going to bed for sleep. Yes, as you can see, my eyes are all sleepy and I just won't sleep. But what to do before cleaning this makeup? We cannot sleep, guys. Yeah, I am so short of breath right now because I'm so much sleepy right now. And I go in some party and I apply heavy end makeup, so I will be using some different kind of technique to clean up my face, to removing my face makeup. But as I have applied little amount of makeup today, because no eyeshadow, you can see nothing, anything, concealer, no concealer here, and yeah, nothing at all, only lipstick and eyeliner and BB cream I have on my face right now. So yeah, how I clean this thing, only this thing if I have, so I will use very minimum product of one thing. Yes, this is a trick for you guys. Actually, I follow this trick, so I just want to tell you that take out your moisturizer. Yes guys, I just want to take out my moisturizer. Yeah, so I have my moisturizer on my hand. What I am gonna do is I am gonna dip some cotton pads on this. Yeah, I am taking you to another part of my room. Yeah, the room is so messy because it's so night, so everyone is sleeping and I'm talking to you. Yeah, so as you can see, I have opened my moisturizer. It is a tub which is full packed, and I have not used um, very more amount of it. I have just taken some amount of. So as you can see, I have dipped my cotton into the moisturizer, and now I'm gonna scrub my eyes. So you will be seeing that my eyes are gonna remove all the makeup. Leave it for 2 minutes as it is and then rub it. Yeah, so as you can see, all my lipstick is out now, and now I am gonna use another cotton for my eyes to rubbing my all the eyeliner off. Yes, can you see guys? Yeah, so this is the trick, this is the trick that I use in my day-to-day life, because uh, following that whole process of removing makeup is so tiring at this point of time. So I just use this technique to to remove my makeup off, and then I'm removing my other eyeliner. Can you see? Can you see? And it is the safest method to remove your makeup. Can you see? Yeah, so I am without makeup right now, guys. Only I have on my face is BB cream, so I will gonna use another cotton and wipe off my BB cream onto from my face. Or you can also use wet wipes which comes in that packet, or you all must be knowing about that Himalaya wet wipes or other companies wet wipes you may use. So yeah guys, all my makeup is removed. I'm feeling so relaxed right now and I'm gonna sleep. Oh my god, this is also going to be, oh my god, I have to remove this thing also. So bye, wish me good sleep guys. Good night, bye, sweet dreams, bye.